Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you the gorgeous inspirational kit for the month of November. And as you can see, it is filled with lots of pink goodies. I also incorporated the colors silver and gold and some touches of white in it. And I cannot wait to share this with you. So this is a peek of the overall look. I'll just move this aside so I can share with you what's in the individual pieces or the bags, which is this beautiful gardenia flower, and this one is already assembled for you, and it has the greenery, so that's all for you to see what you can create using all these pieces, which are 4 pieces in total, like these. So you can use them on any type of projects that you would like to use them on, of course. So that's the first element. Just quickly put this like this. Then you get a bag of doodads filled with beads. It has rhinestones. It has I'll try to take it out so you can see it. A great variety of elements there. And please don't forget to take a look at the channel by my DT, that's Brigitta, and her channel will be also linked down below, and that's Paper Craft Mix. So take a look at her channel as well, please, to see her unboxing. But the elements that you get in your kit are much more elaborate, so you get more pieces in your kit, and of course you will have a lot of inspiration on her channel as well. So she already did an unboxing video. I will put a link on that down below for you, and as well as the future videos that she will put on as she creates her projects with the pieces that I have put in her kit for this month. So I encourage you to check her out and show her some love. That's for that. So these are the tiny pieces that are in this doodad kit or doodad bag. Just some different elements there for you to work with and to create with, and all are based on the beautiful pink colors. So I'll move this aside and share with you the other things, which is this beautiful package here. And I won't take this all out because, oh, that's a lot of work to have this one packet just especially for you. But it's filled with a whole heap of wild orchid craft flowers. And these are a very popular brand here, specialized in mulberry flowers. So you will have a great high quality package filled with a variety of pinks, purples, and even a hinge here of yellow. Perfect for this time of the year as well. Then you get a variety of different wooden stars or snowflakes, depending on how you see it. you get a great variety. Some of them even have like a scenery in them, and others are just the shape, and they all come with a sort of a huge dangle there, or a piece, jute yarn for you to use, or just to keep it for another project as well. That's also possible. So these are all the shapes of all the ornaments that you get in this kit as well. So as you can see, quite a variety. You can use them as layers on tags, as well as you can color them with alcohol markers. You can emboss them. You can heat emboss them with different colors as well and create more dimension. So yeah, lots and lots and lots of ideas for you to use them on. So that's for that. And I also got these brush Christmas trees, which I love. Can you see the beautiful sparkle there? So you get 2 large ones and 2 smaller ones. And I just love this beautiful pink color there, especially with the glitter. We did a make last Saturday using the sort of a snow pen, and then just brushing it over the pieces there on the edges, and then flaking it with some snow dust. And the pen itself also has a sort of a thickness that gives you that beautiful snowy look. So I encourage you to use different medias as well on top of the gorgeous brush Christmas trees. Then we'll go to these elements. This one first. You get a variety of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yards of different pink, and this is one even has a touch of gold in it, yarns, or I must say laces. This one is a vintage, as well as the second one, which is a tiny one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, 5 yards of that. Gorgeous and beautiful pink. And you even got 2 yards of different, God, this is pink and a goldish, and they are adhesive glitter tapes. But I'm saying tape, but it's pretty thick, as you can see. It's pretty thick and sturdy for you to use on tabs, even on tiny fishtail tags, or banners, or just as a snippet on top of your layering. So that's great, perfect. Then we go to the 3 types of mesh. This is the first one, and as you can see here, it has a golden pattern on it, like so. This one has snowflakes, and this one is that beautiful snow tulle, of course pink as well, and that's for that. I added just one piece of a die cut here, just to show you, and to just to inspire you on how you can create some kind of layering and decorating it with just different teeny tiny elements that you have in your kit as well, and so you can create a sort of a new label there. And this one has the sort of pearlescent iridescent look. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. It's pretty difficult to see, but it does have a beautiful, beautiful pearlescent iridescent look there. And that's for that. I also added a tiny doodle pop here for you to use. And yeah, it's just perfect. An element here with dots of pink, a carousel. Just let your own creativity flow and use it on anything that you would love. Then a dimensional sticker as well, sort of iridescent. And I'm just loving the structure of this beautiful, beautiful glaze there also as well. And then I'll move ahead to the different papers. You have like the holographic ones, you have a piece of foam, you have a thick cardstock. They're just really different styles of papers there in the kit. This one, you have this one, you have foam, you have a beautiful cardstock with linen structure, quite a few pieces of vellum, some with silver, and some just plain, like this. Another beautiful, pretty thick cardstock with a gorgeous glaze. And a few pieces of cardstock that will give you, it looks pretty bright here, but it's more like a peachy salmon color. I'll try to adjust the light a little bit more so you can see the beautiful, beautiful layering. Let's just give it like this. It does give a little bit more of glaze, so sorry about that. But these are the different cardstock that you get. Like so. Then we'll go to the last pieces that are in this kit. A piece of vellum with beautiful quotes. Lots of pieces that you can use on your projects there. In different fonts, also in gold and in black. So I just love this one as well. Then a beautiful, really thick cardstock, almost like a glittered pattern there. Piece of a paper, a design paper. This is also one of my favorites. Really gorgeous and beautiful flaked colored design paper as well. Then you get, this is a piece of vinyl that you can also use to create things with pockets. Maybe just sew it like this and to send it off for a Happy Meal. Whatever you would like, you can create with this as well. Beautiful rose gold metallic cardstock, and that's really also great quality of shimmer. It's not really bright, it's pretty matte, so that's also perfect. So that's for this gorgeous pink November inspirational kit. I'm hoping that you love it, that you like the things that I added into this kit. And of course, I cannot wait to hear and see your comments on this video. Please go ahead and check out the unboxing video that my designer for the month, Brigitta, created, using unboxing, of course, the elements and the things that she received. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're interested in more videos like this, or crafty videos as well, of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. And yeah, I hope to see you all soon. Bye bye.